Okay guys, a year and a half later, and I'm going to share my honest and real review with you of this 10-in-1 ThermoPro steam mop. I will say on arrival, I was a little skeptical about this little guy because he's pretty little. But let me tell you, really quickly, I found out that size does not matter. And this bad boy can put in the work. I have another video if you want to check it out where I used one of the attachments to clean my shower, and oh my word, was it disgusting. I didn't even know those things existed, but woo, they did. And instantly I was like, okay, you sold me. And like I said, I've had this for about a year and a half. So as you can imagine, I have used every single attachment out there and they've all blown me away. They're awesome. And I was actually just cleaning the floors. I have two toddler little boys that are potty training right now. And if you know, you know, it can get pretty messy. And I was super happy that I had this on hand because not only is it cleaning, but it also is disinfecting with the steam. Like, what is there to miss? What is there to lose? There's nothing to miss or lose. You got to get it and add it to your cart immediately. I'm telling you guys, it's so worth it. And I did mention that the sizing was kind of intimidating to me, but that's actually one of my favorite things about it now because I live in a tiny little house and I can store this bad boy just in seconds. And I love the little design that they added to do that. It's just a click of the button and half the mop is now just one thing, right? Like it's literally just half a mop now with just a click of a button. And then you just obviously wrap the cords like most vacuums have or mops to keep it clean and tidy. But let me show you how this works and how fast the steam starts going. You literally can press this other button, which is the second one, and have this little guy come out and put all the attachments where the mop head is in replace of it and get to work. But yeah, so same concept applies when it is detached, and that's simply by just plugging it in and putting the solution or water, whatever you want to do, inside here and cranking her up. The more you turn, the higher she goes, and just look really quick how fast the steam starts coming out. You do not have to wait on boiling hot water. Like, this guy has it all. It's literally so awesome. And I'll let you guys see just how quickly it starts happening. And she's ready to go. And I will say, hopefully this doesn't sound dumb, but I know for me, I would like people to clarify that. But the steam gets very, very hot. A lot of the times, like when you buy things like that, it's obviously like a steam item, whatever. And it's not as hot as it looks, but it's spicy. It's really hot and it's well worth it. And I love it. So yeah, you guys should go check it out. A year and a half later, totally obsessed with it. And I really believe that it has more than just a couple years left on it. A great purchase.